Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Spices and Flavors. So, let's make some delicious strawberry peda today. Let's start by making the strawberry compote, for which here I have taken some strawberries onto my saucepan. In that, I'm gonna add in some sugar, cornstarch, and finally some lemon juice. We will cook this on medium flame until the strawberries turn soft and everything comes together and turns thick. Keep on stirring the strawberries, or else there are possibilities that it might burn. And also, this process won't take you more than 5 minutes because of the cornstarch, everything will come together really quick. Can you notice that the strawberries have all softened, dissolved, and everything has come together? It's nice and thick. We will take it off the flame and set it aside and start working with our actual peda. So, to make the pedas, I'm heating up some ghee in my pan. Once the ghee melts, switch off the flame and add in some warm milk and give it a mix. To this milk and ghee mixture, let's add in some desiccated coconut, some almond meal or ground almonds, milk powder, and the secret ingredient roasted rava. We will add everything and mix it until it is well combined. Note that the gas is still switched off. Now that it is all combined, we will switch on the flame and cook it until it thickens a bit. After about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm adding some sugar to it. What will happen now is that the sugar will melt and make it liquidy, and it will once again come together and thicken. Note the consistency, see how liquidy it is, but as you keep on stirring, in about 5 to 7 minutes only you will notice the difference. All this is because of the roasted rava that we have added. The rava absorbs all the moisture and helps to thicken this peda really quick. This peda won't take more than 10 to 15 minutes to come together. Once it's thickened, we will add in the strawberry compote that we just prepared from fresh strawberries and give everything a good mix. The cornstarch in the strawberries will further help to thicken it even more. You will notice that it has already got a little bit of dough-like consistency. Keep on stirring and you will reach there real quick. At this stage, I'm also gonna add in a drop of red food coloring. This is optional, you can skip it if you want to. See, it has thickened a lot and is now turning and leaving the pan. At this stage, I'll take it off from the flame and transfer it onto a greased plate. We will allow this to cool for about 30 minutes so that it is easier to handle and as well as to shape them. It's been 30 minutes now. I'm greasing my hands with some ghee here and then pinch out a small ball or roundel. Give it a round shape and then flatten it to make a peda. Like so. If you want, you can also give an indentation in the center by pressing it with the help of your index finger. We will repeat this until all the mixture is used up. If you feel that the dough is sticking too much to your hands, then you can always grease your hands one more time and continue shaping the pedas. Finally, add in some chopped pistachios on top and then press it gently using your index finger so that it sticks to our peda. And that's it, our delicious strawberry pedas are all ready. So that was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed making a different flavor of the usual pedas and would enjoy this with your friends and family. I'll see you soon with yet another recipe. Until then, this is Sushma signing off from Spices and Flavors. Take care. Bye bye.